excited to meet you at my channel, my friend. My name is Leonard Manzi, and today I've got a website that can help you to make some easy PayPal cash. Before I give you the details of the website, my friend, let me remind you that my channel is all about making money using the power of the internet. I make videos that show people how to make money leveraging the power of the internet. If it is your desire to learn how you can use the internet to make money, then my friend, you are the correct person. You are watching the correct channel at the right time. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss any broadcast from this channel. Okay, this is the website and it's called getpaid2.com, and it's a secure website with a padlock at the corner, right? Earn money every time you go online. Earn points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. And then you join for free. And these are the different ways you are going to use to make money on this site. You do surveys, you play games, then you earn some points, then you go on offer walls, right? So here on the surveys, it says, get paid for your opinion. If you click answer now, right? It takes you right here. Get paid for your opinion. Get your views heard and start getting paid for your time spent online. And then you join for free, right? We've got some of the best providers and research panels offering you new ways to earn every day. Whether you've got 5 minutes or half an hour to spare, give your opinion on topics such as shopping habits, technology, travel, and more points, okay? Watch your earnings grow and then choose to cash them out or redeem for gift cards at one of your favorite shops or stores, okay? Right, so you're going to get some surveys from these companies, okay? Right, from there, right? How does it, this is how it works, okay? You just create your free account on this website. Then you take the surveys, check what the surveys are available, and click through and answer all the questions honestly, receive points, and each successful completion, then you cash out as you wish. These are the different ways you can receive your money. Either a bank transfer, Skrill, cryptocurrencies, Amazon gift cards, PayPal, Vodafone. If you don't have a PayPal account, just go to paypal.com and sign up for a personal account. PayPal is one of the easiest ways to get paid online, okay, right? Yes, of course, you can use Amazon gift cards, seeing that Amazon now is a household name, right? You can use that. You can choose bank transfer. It's your choice, all right? You can go on surveys because the surveys are going to give you more money than games or those points. So surveys and offer walls are going to give you some bit of better money than other options, all right? So say you go on surveys, right? So you just choose where you want, what sort of surveys you want to do. You choose that one. This is my username and my login, right? So you can, I can log in right there. So log in. So I can do surveys on these: Red Fire, Opinion Capital, Rewards Labs, and so forth. All right. So if I click any of these, then they'll take me to the surveys straight. And that's how you do it. All right. So say you want to do offer walls, you click offer walls right there. And then the same thing, Peanut Labs, right? One of the oldest offer walls surveys, right? You accept right here. And right, you see the best way to get free points, GPT points, right? So 10-minute survey right there, 10-minute survey. That is 10-minute survey. And you get 945 points, right? 10 minutes, that one, 11 minutes, you get 1,400 points. That one, 1,100 points for 3 minutes, right? No cost, featured offers. Get points by engaging with brands and advertisers, right? You can get a little bit of side income as you do the surveys and as you jump on the offer walls. You see, as long as you put some hours into this website, my friend, in the surveys, right, and the other activities on this website, you are going to get some bit of income. You might get some money to buy some pair of shoes, some trainers, your favorite trainers, or you can buy some bread, put some gas in your car and buy little things for your family, right? That is great because you are actually testing the waters and you are trying to make money using the power of the internet. But then, my friend, this kind of income is called active income. You are actively involved in the process of making money, right? Yes, you have to do the survey and then you get money. But then you see, the moment you stop doing any activities on this site, then your money goes down to zero. My friend, the internet has leveled the ground for everyone. That you and me, we can now earn passively, right? We can scale up from active income to passive income, right? Where we can set up a machine in motion and the machine goes to work for us 24/7, 365. I've got a link in the description which says my #1 recommendation to make money on AutoPilot. That link will take you to a site where you are going to be trained how to build a business on AutoPilot, right? So this business will start to go to work for you 24/7, 365, whilst you are asleep, whilst you are traveling on vacation, whilst you are spending quality time with your family, with your husband, with your wife, right? Whilst you are doing the more important things of life. If you have found value in this video, my friend, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next videos that I've made for you. See you later.